Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be discussed about the regular expressions in Java. Java provides the java.util.regex means a regular expressions package for pattern matching with regular expressions. Java regular expressions are very similar to the Perl programming language and very easy to learn. A regular expression is a special sequence of characters that help you to match or find other strings or set of strings using a specialized syntax held in the pattern. They can be used to search, edit, or manipulate text and the data. The java.util.regex package consists of three classes, which are pattern class, matcher class, pattern syntax exception. So the pattern class, a pattern object is a compiled representation of a regular expression. The pattern class provides no public constructor to create a pattern. You must invoke one of its public static compile method, which will then run a pattern object. These methods accept a regular exception as the first arguments. Now we just see the matcher class. A matcher object is engine that interprets the pattern and perform match operation against an input string. Like the pattern class matcher define no public constructors. You obtain a matcher object to invoking the matcher method on the pattern object. And then pattern syntax exceptions. A pattern syntax exception object is an unchecked exception that indicates a syntax error in the regular expressions patterns. Now we just see the example of this regular expression exceptions and three types of java.util regular exception package. So here I support java.util and util here is regular and I just write match char. Okay, and now I just import java.util.regex.pattern. So these are the two classes library what I import here. Now I write public static void main. Okay, and then here I just write string arguments. Now here I just write string line and which is equal to this order was placed for, I just write any number like SK900 and here I just write OK. So the string, this string is to be skinned and it will be find a pattern. So now I just place one another string, so which is for pattern, and the pattern here is I just write the pattern and dot and the static here, dot and static, and then I just write double backslash d plus and then dot static. Okay, and close this code here. Now I just create the object to my pattern. So pattern or which is equal to pattern dot compile method. Okay, and then here I just pass an object which is parameter which is pattern. So now I just create an object for matcher, and here's a p, and p is a capital here. So now matcher m which is equal to r dot matcher, and here's the input is line. Okay, if a statement, and if m dot find, so system dot out dot print line which is found value. Okay, and then I just write plus m dot group, and here's the group value is 0. So our code for this regular expressions is completed here. I'll just run this code, and you can see found value which is this string, and this is order was placed for sk900 and OK. So this is an example of regular expressions in Java. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in